Piecewise functions. A piecewise function looks like this. F of x is equal to, and what it's going to have is different parameters on what you're going to plug in and where you're going to plug it in. So notice our if statements over here. So it says if x is less than or equal to 0, if the input is below 0 or equal to 0, we're going to plug it in here. This is a sandwich statement, and this statement says if x is between 0 and 4, not or equal to's, if x is between 0 and 4, we're going to plug it into this value. And this last statement says if x is bigger than 4 or equal to 4, we're going to plug it into this statement. So it says plug in these three values. So let's first find f of -2, and again, we have to figure out where to plug it in. Since the value that we're plugging in, x, is less than 0, we're plugging it in here. So we're simply doing 3 times -2. We're going to add 1 to it, and that gives us -5. Next, it says to plug in 3, f of 3. And this middle part says if x is between 0 and 4, we plug it into this. So we have 3 parts of this problem. We're going to do 3 to the second minus 6 times 3 plus 1. And that's going to give us 10 minus 18, which is -8. Then finally, it says find f of 6. And there's only one place to plug it in, and it's right here. If the number you're plugging in is bigger than 4, we're plugging it into this. So we're going to do -half of 6. That'd be -3. Take the absolute value, and that's going to give us 3. We're subtracting 5, and it just gives us -2. So a piecewise function, all it is it sets parameters on what you're plugging it in and where you're going to plug it in.